If your coffee machine wakes you up and your fridge orders milk, you're living in the future. Welcome to the future where artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming our daily lives. It's not just about robots or sci-fi scenarios. AI is right here, making everything smarter. Take your smartphone, for instance. It learns your habits, suggests the best routes, and even predicts what you want to type next. And that's just scratching the surface. Think about healthcare. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. Financial services, AI algorithms detect fraud within seconds. Even in our homes, AI-powered assistants like Alexa or Google Home are becoming indispensable. They control lights, play music, and even remind you of appointments. But it's not just convenience. AI is driving efficiency and innovation across industries, from transportation to agriculture. Self-driving cars, smart irrigation systems, these aren't just ideas anymore. They're realities, thanks to AI. So next time you interact with technology, remember, you're participating in the AI revolution. The future is here and it's powered by AI. Embrace it.